Kamachielo Nyakuram Gajuang Tend County ma Homa Bay osechako chenro maduoko piny kwan mar timbe mag rocho ratich mine kod nyithindo matindo kaluwore kod report mar piny owacho. Tamalo 54 mar mine county no oseroch ratechgi achiny ka tamalo 23 to ichuno gi timo weche mag hera e tok dwarogi. Riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mar Shofco ogero kar konyo mine kod nyiri kendo en kama obedo kaka kar tony ne joma yudo midhiero ma kamago. Jagoro mar migao ma kit chuech ng'ombe Angoni Homa Bay pod otele timbego kendo sirikal rango wachno matut.
This center or this safe house represents a community saying no to gender-based violence. A community saying to the survivors that we hear you, we feel you, we believe you. You are protected and that you are not alone.
If a place that is known to be a safe place, that women are being raped again, I'll be so sad. And God will not forgive us. So, Governor, please, that place have to make sure it's a very high, tight security. And we'll make sure, because if anything happens, Governor, with our partners, we are done. So we have to make sure whoever goes there, they are safe.
Thank you for making that investment and remembering the teen mothers, because having a baby should not be the end of your journey, and that continues the vicious cycle of poverty.